So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will unbox the brand new Sauber F1 team from Hot Wheels Premium Formula 1 car with the driver number #77, which is Valtteri Bottas. And we all know how 2024 season went for him. Let's not talk about that. But on the bright side, he is now signed with Cadillac, and we'll see how good of a team Cadillac will be in 2026. By the way, this is MRP. It has released in India. You can find it in stores or online. $7.99 is the MRP price. And let's not waste any further time and just uncard this, and we'll get to the review next. And to get this car out of this plate, you need a screwdriver. So finally we have it out of the blister. So starting from the front wing is okay detail, I guess, and we have the sponsor brandings on the nose section. We have the Sauber branding, and I guess the halo is plastic. And also we have this driver helmet. The wing is also metal, and I guess this is entirely metal, but of course except the halo and maybe the flooring here, which is plastic. The wheels are Real Riders Pirelli P0 wheels, specially made for this Formula 1 premium castings. And by the way, this is the hard compound. I guess every casting in the Formula 1 collection has these hard compounds, except for the Oracle Red Bull Racing that has medium compound. On the bottom it says Sauber C44, which is the vehicle name. This was driven by Valtteri Bottas in 2024, and the season did not go well for him. But now it's signed to Cadillac, so we'll see how things play out in the future. So this was Sauber F1 team #77 car, and let me know in the comments below if you like this casting or not, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.